Hello, and today we're going to look at another trading video on my journals back into a few days, months. So this one's the March 12th journal. I made 931. On a smaller size, I took this trade with just made 931 with just 5 contracts. So on the 12th, I had a total of 4 trades. Some small wins, one big loss, but let's look at it overall. Made 3,012 for the day. Now, the math is not mathing, but I guess it's because this may have carried forward till the 12th, and that's why it added up. Because the 9th, I have an $8,000 profit. So, yeah, and I have a 7,000 here. So it's just that this is the open time. If you look at the execution close time, that's how it's recorded on these charts here. But regardless, it should all add up. This is all software based. Nothing really that I feed in. It's directly connected to my brokerage and it pulls up reports. So it's pretty seamless in that way. And yeah, I recommend there is a few trading journaling softwares. I think TradeZilla is good. TradeSwiss is what I personally use. There are some more, I guess, basic journaling tools as well. Some people use Excel. That's what I would use for a large chunk of my trading journey. I've been trading for 17 years. So it's been a while. So back in the days, like there was no such thing as journaling tools. It was just Excel. And for a large part of my career, I didn't journal. Yeah, shocker. That's why it took 17 years to really learn the basics, but that's for a different day. Okay, so 931 is what I made. It took me 14 hours to keep this trade running, so it's a long time for 931. Now the max I could have made was 931. I could have lost 512. Now, so I sold and then I bought. Now, if I look down, let's see what this is on the 5-minute time frame. I see a sell, but I'm looking for my buy point. So 14. So this was a breakout down trade. So I took it here, expecting that the market would break out, and then I closed it down here. So it kind of like seesawed. Let's look at the bigger time frame. It's too small to really tell much. Yeah, so I took a breakout down and I closed it down here. So good timing for a close. Bad entry. This would have been a good entry. Okay, so let's start journaling this one down. Okay, so I'm gonna the first thing I'll do is I'll label my trades. So this one is setup is a breakout down. The next thing I would do is type in the direction of the trade, so it's a short. And the third thing I would do is to now start looking at where did I take my breakout on the 5-minute time frame. So I took it greater than 5. On the 1-hour time frame, I took it greater than 5. So that's like a bad spot to take it. So 5 minutes underscore breakout. The next I'll look at is the crossovers. So the crossovers, this was chop when I took it. So I do entry chop. Now on the longer time frame, I would say this would be better across here. So it's mature, bear mature. Now multi-time frame. overall multi-time frame, this is down. This was down. So I'll do full, and I'll do a macro. My exit. So this would be post cross at 5 EMA. What else can I tell? Mechanical. I would give this a 0.25, and I would grade this as a A plus, B. For where I took this one, I would give this, my entry was actually like a C plus, just for a positive. Bad entry for this breakout trade. The market was choppy at the time of taking this trade. Let me look at the 1 hour time frame. What did it actually tell me? Yeah, it's choppy. If I didn't hold this trade for 14 hours, I would have come out in profit. I should be more careful with breakout trades as the risk to reward is not always in favor. Try taking these trades close to the yeah. So that's my consensus for this trade. So hopefully it was helpful, gives you a bit of an understanding on even though I made 931, my timing was not good, and if I didn't ride this wave, which was negative at times, I'll show you where. Yeah, see, negative, started off negative, went up positive, negative, and then positive. If I didn't ride this wave, I'd have ended up in a big loss too. So things to be mindful of. So hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.